Good day, everyone. It is our privilege to present our research project titled Human Image Classification for Criminality Using Convolutional Neural Networks Utilizing Raspberry Pi 4. This project is the result of rigorous study and collaboration, undertaken as part of the methods of the research course under the expert guidance of Dr. Michael Angelo Di Ligaya. And over the next 10 minutes, we will share our findings on this innovative lab. Our study is particularly timely, given the increasing need for efficient, accessible, and ethical tools for public safety. With advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning, it is now possible to tackle complex societal challenges in ways that were previously unimaginable. This project represents our attempt to harness these technologies to address a pressing issue: crime prevention in areas constrained by resources.
Next slide is for background and problem statement. Preventing and managing crime is a major challenge, especially in areas with limited resources. In a place like Holy Cross Tricycle Terminal located in San Bartolome, Quezon City, traditional surveillances our system can be expensive and require a lot of infrastructure, making them unavailable to small communities and local police. These areas are more vulnerable to crime and creates a need for more affordable solutions. This research focuses on addressing these needs. We look at combining convolutional neural network, or also known as CNN, a type of artificial intelligence, with a low cost and portable device like the Raspberry Pi 4. CNN are good at recognizing pattern and analyzing image features. And when paired with the Raspberry Pi 4, which is both affordable and small, this technology could help detect criminal behavior in a real time by analyzing human image or human behavior. However, we also understand that this solution must be used carefully, because there are challenges like bias in the data, privacy issue, and ethical concern about surveillances. This research aims to balance innovation and balance the responsibility, providing a practical and ethical approach to a crime prevention. Next slide, please. Thank you.
The objectives of our research were crafted to address the gaps and the challenges in existing crime prevention methods while ensuring the accessibility and ethical application. At its core of our study aims to develop a CNN-powered system capable of classifying human images based on behaviors linked to the criminality. By deploying this system, a Raspberry Pi 4, we sought to create a solution that is both affordable and efficient. Specifically, we focus on designing and training the CNN model to detect the patterns on human facial features and actions. These patterns were then analyzed to predict behaviors that could indicative of criminal intent. Furthermore, the use of Raspberry Pi 4 allows this system to function in real time even in areas in limited and technological infrastructure. Importantly, our research also prioritized an ethical consideration, implementing measures to protect the privacy, prevent misuse. By doing so, we aim to contribute to safer communities while respecting the individual rights and societal norms.
Significance of the study, impact and benefits. Our research holds significant potential for enhancing crime prevention efforts, particularly in areas with limited access to advanced technologies. The affordability of the Raspberry Pi 4 combined with the efficiency of CNNs, makes this system an accessible alternative to traditional surveillance tools. By reducing reliance on expensive infrastructures and cloud-based systems, our solution minimizes operational costs and latency, making it ideal for real-time applications. Beyond its practical benefits, this study contributes to the broader field of artificial intelligence and its application in public safety. It demonstrates the feasibility of deploying AI-driven systems in resource-constrained environments, paving the way for future innovations in crime detection and prevention. Moreover, our emphasis on ethical considerations ensures that this technology can be implemented responsibly, protecting privacy and avoiding misuse. Ultimately, our research aims to foster safer communities by providing law enforcement and local stakeholders with a tool that is both effective and accessible.
The methodology we employed for this project was comprehensive, encompassing several phases to ensure the system's reliability and effectiveness. Our process began with the dataset preparation, where we collected and curated a diverse range of images representing various human facials of images and actions. This step was critical in ensuring the CNN model was trained on a representative dataset, minimizing potential biases. The next phase involved the development of the CNN model. We designed the model architecture to efficiently process and analyze image while optimizing it for deployment on a Raspberry Pi 4. Training and testing the model were interactive process, allowing us to refine its accuracy and generalization capabilities. We conducted extensive validations to ensure that the model could reliably classify images and identify behaviors linked to criminal activity. Once the model was ready, we integrated it with the Raspberry Pi 4. This phase involved configuring and hardware to capture real-time images using the ESP32 camera module and process them through the trained CNN. The integration process ensured that the system was not only functional but also practical for use in the resource-constrained environments. Through this methodology, we demonstrated that the advanced AI technologies can be adopted for cost and effective portable crime prevention solutions.
Conceptual framework and system architecture. Technical design. Our conceptual framework and system architecture provide a clear blueprint for the research. The framework begins with the input phase, where we capture image data while adhering to strict ethical guidelines. This ensures that the data used for classification respects privacy and avoid discriminatory practices. The processing phase is the heart of the system. Here, the CNN model processes the input data, identifying patterns and analyzing them to determine likelihood of criminal behavior. This phase includes data pre-processing, model training, and optimization to ensure accuracy and efficiency. By deploying the system on Raspberry Pi 4, we achieved real-time processing capabilities even in environments with limited resources. Finally, the output phase involved displaying the classification results, which indicate whether the analyzed image exhibit potentially criminal behaviors. The system architecture incorporates the ESP32 camera module. For image capture, the Raspberry Pi 4 for processing and output device such as monitors for result visualization. This design emphasizes affordability and scalability, making it suitable for deployment in various settings, from small municipalities to larger public space.
Challenge and ethical consideration. While our research showcased the potential of AI technology for crime prevention, it is essential to acknowledge the challenge and ethical consideration involved. One of the primary concerns in bias in the database, which can lead to unfair classification and undetermined system reliability. Addressing the issue requires careful correlation of the data sets and reduce variation and process to ensure in fairness accuracy. Privacy concerns also emerge in critical consideration. The system ability to capture and clarify image raised to the questions about consent and data protection. To address this, we implemented robust data governance measure and prioritize transparency system design indeed use. Another challenge in the risk is misuse, particularly in law enforcement contexts where improper application of the technology could lead to profiling or other ethical violation. To migrate this, we emphasize the importance of ethical guidelines and stakeholder education deployment of our system. These considerations are the integral to ensuring that our research contributes positively to society while safeguarding individuals in right and freedom. So in conclusion, this research demonstrates the feasibility and potential of using convolutional neural networks and Raspberry Pi 4 for real-time crime detection. By addressing critical challenges in traditional surveillance systems, the research resolutions offers an affordable, portable, and efficient alternative. However, we recognize the importance of ongoing refinement to enhance the system accuracy, fairness, and ethical compliance. Future work will focus on expanding the dataset to improve model robustness, integrating additional features for broader applicability, and developing comprehensive guidelines for its ethical implementation. The researchers believe that this research represents a significant step forward in leveraging AI technologies for public safety. Thank you for your time and attention. That's all.